As a child, books were my way of being able to learn about the world outside of the housing project that I lived in. We had an opportunity to meet First Book, and almost immediately, First Book began to flood our program with beautiful, high-quality new books. We wouldn't be able to afford to do that if it wasn't for the generosity and the hard work of First Book.
Since 1992, First Book has pioneered groundbreaking channels. They have provided more than 145 million new books and educational resources for free and at low cost to schools and programs. These programs serve the 32 million children living in low-income households. First Book is transforming the lives of children in need and elevating the quality of education by making new, high-quality books available to them on an ongoing basis. First Book has enabled more than 250,000 educators and childcare providers with greater purchasing power and access to high-quality books that otherwise would not be available to them. Through First Book, they have been able to create enriched learning experiences for their students. The children enjoy an ongoing supply of wonderful new books. More than 5,000 educators and program leaders sign up with First Book each month. First Book is growing rapidly and has been heralded as one of the most innovative organizations in the social sector.
And to the magic of storytelling, getting millions of books into the hands of children, and you can help. Here's ABC's Ron Claiborne.
Do you remember the first book you ever read?
That's director Steven Spielberg promoting First Book, a program that's put millions of books in the hands of children from low-income families and has inspired a parade of famous faces to post shelfies with some of their favorites. Some regular folks, too.
Not If I Can Help It calls Captain Hook.
I recently got the chance to read to some kids. It's all part of a push to share the magic of storytelling. ABC's parent company, Disney, donating 50 million books and counting.
First Book is expanding its network of schools and programs and now works in every grade-level reading community across the country. This past year alone, First Book has provided a unique book distribution opportunity. This has resulted in an infusion of 90,000 brand new books across 10 GLR communities. Partnered with Turn the Page KC to host First Book distribution with over 18,000 boxes of books for local schools, nonprofit organizations, and early learning centers throughout Kansas City, Missouri. Distributed more than 60,000 books to 97 organizations in the San Francisco Bay Area as part of the Read Zone initiative. This was a collaboration with the Super Bowl 50 host committee and the Grade Level Reading Campaign. Collaborated with Grade Level Reading Campaign, Mind in the Making, and Room to develop Book Club 2.0, an innovative two-generation program for families living in public housing. The data proves First Book's impact and success. The stories from the schools and programs in the First Book Network tell how these books have changed the lives of thousands of children and families. For its enduring commitment to early literacy and moving the needle on grade-level reading, the Campaign for Grade-Level Reading recognizes First Book as its 2015 Pacesetter partner.